Hey Jamie, this is Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can start implementing right away to outrank your competition online and bring in more customers for your business. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here, and I found you had a website, so I went and clicked on that. And I learned a little bit about your business, kind of the services you focus on and the areas that you service in, right? So, really what with this website, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. And then as far as your services go, right, you offer a couple different services here. We'd want to look to create individual service pages with about 500 to 1,000 words of content on each. And really what all that content does is it allows you to rank for specific keywords that people are looking for on Google all the time, like gutter cleaning in Columbus, Ohio, right, power washing in Columbus, Ohio, things like that. So I pulled up a report of your website in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, and it's just going to show some data of your site. And it doesn't look like there's too much going on here, but what I wanted to do is show you a couple competitors. That way you can kind of get an idea of really what's working for them and how you can implement the same. So I'm going to come over here to Google, and I'm going to type in gutter cleaning Columbus, Ohio. All right, and I'm going to come down to the first result here. All right, we're going to skip the ads. We're going to skip the map pack for now. And the first one we see here, obviously, the Gutter Boys, right? So let's click on them. Let's check them out. This is their Ohio Columbus gutter cleaning page specifically. All right, so this isn't obviously their home page. It's this location page for them for Columbus, Ohio, based on around gutter cleaning. And if we go down, they've got a video and they've got a little bit of content here, but you can definitely knock them out of the park, using 500 to 1,000 words on a service page or even a location page. But let's really figure out what they're focusing on throughout their content and why they're ranking number one. So I'm going to pull up their report. Let's just jump right into these keywords. We're going to see here gutter cleaning Columbus, Ohio. That's searched 150 times a month. Gutter cleaning Columbus, OH, 70 times a month. Gutter cleaning Columbus, 40 times. Let's see here, cleaning Columbus, Ohio. That one's not necessarily specific. Roof cleaning Columbus, Ohio, 40. So there's some good keywords here that you can definitely focus on. All right, that's definitely bringing in some volume, some searches. And these guys are bringing in 31 traffic, 15 traffic, 13 traffic for all of these keywords here. And you can imagine they're definitely converting those into customers as well. And really it's because they're in those top positions on Google. All right, now they are focusing on those specific keywords, within their content. Because it doesn't look like they have really any backlinks to this page. And I'll get into that with the next competitor if they're showing some results. But we definitely want to focus on our content and putting together a really good website that's going to convert those customers. Next one I wanted to take a look at and show you is pressure washing, right? Just to kind of give you some variation here. I'll show you a couple different examples of the services you offer. So pressure washing, Columbus, Ohio, you're definitely going to like the search volume for this one. As well, and we're going to come down here to the first competitor. We're not going to click on Angie's List or Yelp because let's be honest, not many people do. So let's go to the first actual business, right? So we have Prim Painting, and this is their residential pressure washing Columbus, Ohio page. So not too many home pages we're competing against, which is actually nice. We can definitely beat them out with content because a lot of these service pages, a lot of these location pages never have a lot of content. But let's take a look. So Columbus, Ohio, power washing. Now, these guys definitely have some content going on, but not a ton, right? I thought they might as we were scrolling down, but you can definitely beat them out with 500 to 1,000 words. Let's figure out, though, what they're focusing on. We come over here. We can see, the keywords, and we see pressure washing service. So whenever I talk about keywords, I like to focus on the buyer intent ones, which means location specific, right, around your service. So pressure washer service is obviously, it could be anywhere. Now pressure washing Columbus, Ohio, that's what I'm talking about, right? That's the buyer intent keyword where people are going to be hitting that on Google, to find pressure washing companies in Columbus, Ohio. They want to buy now. So these guys, this is searched 100 times a month. And they're bringing in some traffic for it. And they're even bringing in traffic for this pressure washer service. So maybe people are typing in pressure washer service, but not necessarily the location. But it's one of those like near me searches, right? So, that's definitely a good one. So you can see really as you lay out your service pages, for your website, you can see how each one could be pulling in, traffic. So think about it. If you get 10 per service page, you got 6 services, that's 60 a month, right? Plus you get some coming in for your main homepage. You could be looking at 100 traffic a month, and think about just converting 10% of that, right? That's 10 new customers a month, to your business. And that's monthly, right? This isn't like once and done. This is, things you can do to create the oncoming leads on a monthly basis. Now, I wanted to talk about backlinks, but I didn't, these guys aren't showing any. So let's actually go back, see if we can find a different competitor here. Because a backlink is really just a vote of confidence. It's a link from one site to another, and it passes power and trust to your site. So really the main thing we want to focus on is content and building that website like I talked about that's able to convert customers, and then creating backlinks to boost up your rank in this organic section. So if we find a home page, which actually we do here, Stillwater Pressure Wash, let's take a look at these guys. We're going to copy them, and I'll show you it live here. We'll paste them right in. And we can see, okay, here we go. So these guys have 12 sites pointing back to them, okay, and it's giving them 96 backlinks. So kind of just like we went into the keywords to figure out what was working for these companies, we can go into the backlinks and do the same thing. Figure out which backlinks are quality and kind of duplicate that process, but then get better ones. So it's all about beating your competition, and it doesn't look like your competition is really focusing on these backlinks. So really putting together some quality content on a good website and then creating some backlinks, you can definitely be outranking these guys and competing with the big dogs, getting in those leads. Now, the last thing I want to touch upon are citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number. And we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. All right, it really just gets your name out there. And it has all to do with this Google My Business listing here. So if really first and foremost, we want to optimize this listing. We want to make sure we're adding in Google reviews constantly. We have all of our information. We're adding in pictures so people can see the work that we're doing. And then we want a great description. All right. Now you can max this description out at 750 characters, throw in some keywords there, and not only get your website ranking on that first page of Google, but you can get this listing ranking. Anytime we type in these keywords such as gutter cleaning, Columbus, Ohio, pressure washing, whatever the service is, okay, you're going to see an ad section a lot of times, but then you see the map pack, and then you see the organic section. So we talked about the organic section and how content and backlinks come into play. But really, the citations come into play, and that Google My Business comes into play right here in the map pack. This is where we're going to get listed because look at it. We see this 4 or 5 stars. We see the phone number. We see the website, the directions. People are going to see this, and they're going to click on these top 3 businesses, right? There's no need to hit the view all because they have the top 3 right here. So if we're in the top 3 here, if we're in the top couple here, you're definitely going to get some traffic to your website. You're definitely going to get phone calls, and you're definitely going to be landing some deals. All right. Now, again, focus on content, backlinks, and citations, and it'll do wonders for your business. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. Here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. Phone number's in the top right corner. Again, my name is Tyler. I'll talk to you soon.